Hi, today we're going to compare the audio summing of a $100,000 analog API console to a digital audio workstation like Pro Tools. We have sent the outputs of every channel through the HD192 converters into the API console. And as you can see, all the faders are set to 0, and the panning knobs are centered for our mono channels and 100% left and right for our stereo channels. It's important to clarify that the panning rules for the API console are -3 dB, which is what we are using in Pro Tools. Coming back from the console to the digital world, we are using Apogee converters connected with a Big Ben clock. Alright, here we have the two bounces, the Pro Tools bounce and the API bounce. And as you can see, even if I zoom in, they look quite different, which means that they do not sound the same. And if I play both together, starting at the same time, they won't sound the same. As you can hear, there are some phasing issues. So even if I invert the phase, yeah, they don't sound the same, and which one sounds better is up to you. The API bounce seems a little louder. Because of that, I'm going to try and compensate the Pro Tools bounce with just 1 dB. Because if I go any further than that, these little peaks might clip the signal. I'm going to play one of them and then the other one, and you'll be able to hear the difference. Let's start with the Pro Tools bounce. So what I'm going to do now is play both at the same time, but I'm going to make some cuts so you can hear them back to back. So let's start from the top and let's listen to both.